everyone, this is the 12th learning material in the lecture series of Programming in C language. This is our second module, that is Introduction and subsection that we will be discussing is Fundamentals of C language. Let's begin with the module. Friends, in this video we will learn about the concept of arrays and the rules for defining arrays in C language. Collection of group of similar element is called as array. An array is a collection of group of similar elements referred by the same name. It is possible to have an array of those all data types that are allowed in the C. It helps in the situation where the large number of inputs or outputs are there and needs to be processed or accessed number of times throughout the program. It is easy to handle the huge easily data in the form of the array. It is possible to know the unique memory location of each element of array and manipulate them by direct referencing the memory locations. Let's move on and learn about some rules of defining array in C. Initially, for the sake of simplicity, let's learn one-dimensional array. Syntax for 1D array is: first define an array whose syntax is datatype space array name in square bracket num. Next step is initialize an array, that is datatype space array name in square bracket num is equal to the actual array, which is a1, a2 up to a7. While handling the scientific problems, we need some higher order mathematics like matrices, determinants, etc. For that case, we will learn the use of two-dimensional array. Syntax for 2D array is similar to the syntax of 1D array. Define an array, datatype space array name in square bracket num. Here we are using two square bracket to represent that it is a two-dimensional array. Then we will initialize the 2D array, that is datatype space array name in square bracket num is equal to in square bracket a1, a2, then again in square bracket b1, b2. Let's understand the array concept with the help of examples. We have already seen the syntax for defining an array. That is, in case of 1D array, datatype space array name in square bracket n, and in case of 2D array, datatype space array name 2 times in square bracket n. The first two examples are of integer types arrays. int space marks in square bracket 250 and int space num in square bracket nothing. Here int is a type of variable which represent data type. Marks and num are the name of variables and 250 is the array element. Third example comes under float type array. Float space temp in square bracket 10 is equal to 27.4, 29.4, 32.8, 45.3 up to 19.4. Here the float is a type of variable which represent data type. Temp is the name of variable and 10 is the array element. We have initialized some values to the array which are put inside the square brackets. Fourth examples comes under the character type array. Char space name in square bracket 9 is equal to in double quotes Indrajit. Here the char is a type of variable which represent the data type. Name is the name of variable and 9 is the array element. Indrajit is the value assigned to the 9th element of the array. Fifth example comes under the integer type array. int space matrix in square bracket 2, then again in square bracket 2 is equal to the elements of the matrix that is defined inside the square brackets, that is 13 into 26, then 39, 52. This is an example of 2D array where int is a type of variable which represent data type. Here we have a 2 by 2 matrix having element initialized in the form of array, that is 13, 26 and 39, 52. Thank you. Here we have finished the theory part of this subsection.